Okay then guys.
Hello Plunkers, it's Daft Scots Lass here, and today I thought I'd give you a wee update on my Dukan diet. I've been on the Dukan diet now for 24 days. 3 or 4 days before that I was on a liquid diet. So I've lost in total of 5.4 kilos, which is probably about 12 pounds. And from the 1st of January, all in all, I've lost 6.4 kilos, which is probably about 14 pounds. Now, to me, that is quite an accomplishment. I can fit into my jeans again without feeling too frumpy. I've still got another 10 kilos to go, but I know that I'm going to do it because I've been so dedicated to this eating plan, and it's really sort of changed my energy levels. It's changed how I look at exercise. I still go to the gym 5 times a week, which makes me feel great about myself, and yeah, it's going really, really well. So whoever wants to go on the Dukan diet, the first 5 days when you're on the attack phase and all you eat is protein, you lose really, really quickly. And then when you move into the next phase, which is the cruise phase, it slows down quite drastically. You still lose every week, but not quite as much, because now you're introducing veggies into your diet, so your water levels are going up and down all the time. I'm happy with the weight loss so far. I just wish it could go a wee bit quicker, but rather slowly, and I keep the weight off, as everybody keeps telling me. And then I just want to chat about another thing that's happening on my blog at the moment. I haven't blogged about it yet, but I will very soon. And that is this little guy. Now this little guy comes all the way from France, from Jeanette in fact, and she's got a blog called Cut in France. She's an expat South African who's moved there, and she teaches young kids, or she's got a program where she interacts with young kids. This little guy, Jock, is going to be travelling all around South Africa, and our task is to take him somewhere cool in South Africa, like maybe a landmark around your area where you live, or someplace famous, or take him to one of your favourite South African restaurants, or have him go shopping with you for South African products. I think it's just a way of introducing South Africa to the kids that she teaches, and I think it's an absolutely brilliant idea. So watch this space for Jock coming up on the blog, and whoever's in South Africa can sign up, get your photo taken with him, send it in to Jeanette, and she can put it on her website. Her website is jocksa.blogspot.com. I don't think anything's up and running yet, but as soon as she's got the first pictures, which I'm assuming is me, then obviously they'll go on the blog. Anyway, another thing I wanted to talk about is the Oz shirt is coming my way soon, when she's sending it on to me. And the Oz shirt is a Hawaiian shirt, very similar to the Jock project, but it's a shirt that Oz sends around, and he's in the States, all over the world, and you wear it somewhere special, or you wear it at home, or you take photos of you wearing it anywhere really, and then you send it in to him. So it's the same sort of concept. I hope he doesn't mind if I wash that damn thing first, because I'm not wearing somebody else's heebie-jeebies. Yeah, I think that's about it for my update. I haven't vlogged in a while, I'm sorry. I actually haven't been on YouTube for a while, I'm sorry. I've been really busy at work. We've got the up and coming show soon, and I've just been given, you know, like somebody else's work to do, so I'm doing 2 jobs, and it's just really hectic with the football season starting for Megan, and the school's going back, and the kids' birthdays and organising their birthday party. It's just been absolutely hectic, and I just wish I could take a couple of steps back and just slow down a bit because I feel that my life is so rushed at the moment, but it will get there. I will get to the point where I feel like my head is above the water. At the moment I'm so drowning, it's just not funny. Yeah, I think that's about it for the vlog today. It's Friday! Yee-wee! Yeah, now as you can tell, Fridays is my favourite day of the week. Start of the weekend, good things to come, no work, lots of fun, and yeah, back to the gym today because I went to the gym yesterday. Emptied all my bag out to get changed and I'd forgot my trainers at home. I felt like such a douche nozzle. All that way, gear yourself up to get all pumped and whatever, and then what, you leave your gym shoes at home and you can't do jack shit. So I don't normally go to gym on a Friday, but today I have to go because I didn't go yesterday. Otherwise the guilt will just rip me apart. Happy Friday and have an awesome weekend. Bye.